Flutter UI code is typically deeply nested and easily get lost of track where are we if the code is not properly formatted. In Android Studio with Flutter plugin installed, there is a way to auto-format the code. The shortcut is Command-Alt-L. The code will be formatted with 1 argument per line, and the parentheses are placed into their own lines. The IDE also provides these handy annotations to indicate the scope of each widget. But sometimes you want the whole widget to be formatted into 1 line so that it will be displayed more concisely, like this text widget with only 1 argument. If you format it manually and try to reformat, it will be restored into 3 lines. What you can do is to remove the last comma right before the close parentheses and try to reformat again. It will be formatted into 1 line. You can do the same thing for the other text widget. So next time, if you see the formatted result is not what you expected, just add or remove a few commas, and you are the one in charge.